Hello friends, I'm Nupur Vadnerkar. I'm a personal branding coach and a soft skills trainer. In my previous video, I talked about communication and its importance in our everyday life. I also shared some tips on how to communicate. Remember, I connect simply. I is communicating your intention. Connect is to connect with the other person and keeping it simple. Today I'm going to talk about 6 pillars of effective communication. Starting with number 1, assertiveness. Assertiveness is your ability to express your feelings, thoughts, beliefs, perspectives, respecting other person's feelings, thoughts, beliefs, perspectives at the same time. It is a very positive way of communicating what you think and how you feel. Let me give you an example. If you're dealing with someone who is not punctual and you're not okay with this, you wish to communicate this thing to them. How do you do it without affecting your relationship with that person in a negative way? Ask them, hey, what happened? Did something come up unexpectedly that made you late? And what's your tone? Number 2, offer help. Ask them if you can help them with something. Ask them that, is there anything you want to share? Please feel free to share with me. I'm there to help you. Third, share how you feel. That is equally important. Tell them that I value this relationship a lot, but I'm not okay with you not valuing my time. So let's find out a way how we can fix this issue. You know, I sentences work beautifully for ineffective communication as compared to you sentences. So I sentences or statements are, I can do this for you. Let me know how can I help you. I am there for you, right? They have a very positive effect. Instead of you did this, why are you not on time? Why are you always late? Second pillar, authenticity. Authenticity in communication is listening to understand and not to respond. Many a times when we are listening to the other person, back of the mind, we are thinking, how am I going to respond to this? What question am I going to ask? If they ask for my opinion, what am I going to say? All these things are going back of the mind. No, but here your complete focus is on what the other person is trying to say. You are focusing on understanding that. Similarly, when you are speaking, it is your responsibility that your audience understands what you are saying. So, how do you make sure that your audience has understood what you are saying? You seek feedback, you ask them questions whether that tell you whether they have understood it or not. Point number 3, open-mindedness. When it comes to effective communication, it is very important that you respect and understand other person's perspective. This will not only help you to move out of your comfort zone, but also compel you to think rationally and critically. Again, the end result is effective communication. So these were the first 3 pillars: assertiveness, authenticity, and open-mindedness. I will be covering the remaining 3 pillars in my next video. Till that time, stay tuned, take care, bye-bye.